guys, so for today's video, okay, no. So, outfit change. For today's video, my best friend Hannah actually suggested the idea for my guy friends to do a voiceover of my makeup routine. So listening to my guy friends roast me. I mean, some of them know what they're talking about and some just, oof, they gotta go. No, I'm just kidding. But in all seriousness, I hope you guys enjoy. If you do, make sure you subscribe. Hit the bell notification down below so you guys are updated with my next video. And let's get to it. Oh gosh.
Hey guys, yo, it's Andrew here.
Hi, my name is Ephraim, or Effie, whatever you may call me.
My name is James. I'm from Ottawa.
Hey, this is JC.
Hey guys, what's up? My name is Ethan Anada.
Hi guys, my name is Angelo, one of Abigail's friends. People will call me either Dan J or Jello.
Today's host is Queer Ryan.
Hey guys, it's Austin, one of Abby's friends.
Hey everyone, what's up? I'm Martin, and I just want to say thank you so much, Abby, for allowing me to be a part of this video, even though I asked you for it. Yeah, so just to introduce myself, I'm Abby's friend, I think.
She has to do her hair first.
I always see this girl wearing this top.
Putting up her clips because, you know, it's an essential.
She has so many clothes, but she always wears the same clothes.
I like your top though.
Tying our hair back.
Be honest, you didn't shower, didn't you?
Is that a popsicle?
Wait, I don't get it. You said this is a makeup video, but it looks like you already have makeup on. Oh, never mind. You don't have makeup on. My bad.
Fenty Beauty, Whooshy Rich.
Fenty Beauty.
Oh yeah, shake that up. E.
It looks like lotion.
This is iced cappuccino from Tim Hortons.
Yeah, that is not moisturizer.
Foundation is the very... like without foundation, then no one can stand without a solid foundation. Amen.
Okay, now dabbing at my cheeks, I look like a Pikachu with brown spots.
Poke it out in the face.
Use our finger and we're gonna use the dabbing technique. We're gonna dab it all over our face.
Bring that hair back.
You go grab your big brush, buy separately.
Blend that in. Why do you have to hold your mirror like that? Why can't you just put it on the table?
And dabbing it more. Oh my gosh, how many times do we have to dab it, buddy?
Look at the camera pa more. May mirror ka na nga eh.
Spread it across your face to make your face look multiple shades lighter.
Is that an eraser?
Face beater? And we're gonna beat the face.
I don't get why they have two brushes, but I still do it.
Making sure we look good in the camera. We see you, Abby. We got you.
I like your sunflower.
What's a lot of bags for your makeup?
More foundation. Ugh.
Another brown thing.
I don't know this cosmetic brand, but here we go.
Yeah, smaller foundation. Abby's building a strong foundation here.
Apply it all over our imperfections, you know, our dark spots, our acnes, making sure they're not visible to our, you know, our crushes.
You're applying so much product.
I can't even read that. You showed that too fast. It switched too fast.
Concealer is very important too, because without the concealer, it will be concealed.
Oh, eye foundation. Can you use it on the nose too? It's dual purpose.
Alright, so we're gonna use our brush again, and we're gonna use the same technique as last time, brushing it all over the face.
Oh, she's using the same eraser. Gonna need to wash that after. It's a bit dirty.
So the goal of today is to match your face color to the color on your arms.
Oh, that's powder. Oh, that's baby powder.
Whenever you put on different makeup products, like you look upset.
And another layer of sponge dabbing.
Super glue. Abby's applying super glue.
But you know, it's what you have to do. Multiple layers.
So the makeup can stick.
And she just leaves it and she moves on.
Using a thermometer.
She gonna leave the house like that? No.
Gotta get the eyebrows fleeking.
Eyeliner, or I guess eyebrow liner.
The thicker your eyebrows, the more Instagram followers you get. So yeah, that's the technique we're going for right now.
Gonna make it bold. It's like when you use a Word document.
Trying to fix my eyebrows, putting in 90 degrees without a ruler.
Wait, why are you working on your eyebrows now if you didn't even finish like your forehead?
Gotta pay attention to the details, making sure our eyebrows are on fleek.
But you can see the difference right there. One's bolded and one's not.
You still have like leftover powders.
It looks like you still have something on your forehead. I don't think you got that spot properly.
The powder's actually bothering me or whatever that is.
Drawing in her eyebrows. Sick.
I will admit the brows are on fleek.
There's still leftovers on the face. I don't know if she forgot about it. Oh, she pulled out that brush. She got it.
Now I'm using, another brush. Oh wait, isn't that the same brush with just different volume whatsoever?
Ooh, contour.
She's talking to her biggest fan right now, her mom.
You gotta, fill in that cheekbone.
Yeah, you gotta contour, girl. Contour that. That's right. Add those contour lines.
You want to make sure they look defined. You want to make sure your cheekbones are popping.
Jawline, yeah, of course, make it show. When you don't work out in the hard times, you gotta
Highlighting those jawlines. I mean, that jawline.
You want to make your face less 2D and more 3D. That's why we're creating emphasis on it.
Giving me that really good facial structure.
Jeez.
On our nose, to make sure that nose looking pointy, like our celebrities.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Oh, she's a little itch on her nose.
More brushing. You can't get enough of the brush. That's why we're doing that.
Why'd you have to show the brush? Is that a special product too?
On the eyeball. Oof. This part, tough to watch.
I'll never understand why makeup is put on your eyelids. Like, no one's really looking there anyways.
Make sure there's emphasis and depth. I'm not just naming artistic terminologies.
Nice flowers. This lipstick. Oh, mascara.
Just waiting. More eyebrow stuff because the two things we did before was not enough.
More eyebrows, Can't get them thick enough,
She got a pen. Is that eyeliner?
I don't even know why I'm doing all this makeup. Like, I'm in quarantine, but like,
Oh, smaller mirror of the same shape. Doing her eyeliner.
I think this is for the wing. It's what the girls do nowadays.
Oh.
Yeah, this part looks pretty painful, But beauty is pain. Beauty is pain.
This is actually coming along well, Abby. Girl, you're too much of a perfectionist. Like, it's fine.
Check in. Double check. Oh.
That looks painful. She's like pressing her eyeball.
She's doing the cat tails. The cat eyes. Gotta get the cat eyes right.
Like she's not satisfied.
Yo, she's like squeezing her eyeball, bro. Yeet. There.
Jeez.
She's not satisfied.
This is a long process. Abby's not satisfied. Girls do this every day.
You just made your wings bigger so you can fly and go to nature.
Some steady hands. I totally respect those who wear contacts. Same with the girls and their eyes. Some steady hands and putting it on.
I don't know how girls do this.
Why do you look so sad, Abby? You look great. There's nothing to be sad about, okay?
I don't know what the name of this thing is, but when you use it for your eyelashes, I know it looks so scary, like a pincer.
Ooh, this bad boy. Was it the eye clip?
Oh, this one. It's like you're being tortured. It's crazy.
Got a lot of markers.
You get the luscious locks. I don't know what I'm saying right now.
I believe she knows what she's doing. Oh, yellow. What is this one? Yellow eyes. No.
Okay, it's black, just the yellow cap.
Oh, banana flavored. I like that. So your eyelashes can smell like bananas.
I do now my eyelashes because, cannot afford this fake eyelashes, so I just do it myself.
All right, so now we're gonna make sure they pop. Make sure your eyelid hairs are standing up straight, So when you bat the eyelash, they're noticeable.
The virus won't be attracted to my eyelashes.
Making her eyes pop. I don't know what brand that is. Laurier, Garnier, Head and Shoulders, Knees and Toes, I don't know. Coming along. Makeup is an artwork. It takes time. Can't be rushed.
Pinky's up.
Pinky promise.
So now we're gonna use our pinky. Not your index finger, your pinky.
Get in the small spots so the muta doesn't show.
I don't know why I use the pinky when you have like tons of brushes and everything there. What is that? It looks like a Sharpie.
What is that? White Crayola. Okay.
Like, this involves so much of tilting your head up. I think I would get dizzy from all of this.
Putting the one layer.
Not sure what this does. Does it taste good?
Gotta make sure you got those Kylie Jenner lips, because fat lips are in nowadays.
Ooh, darken the lips, outline the lips, make it pop.
What does that do? Like, outline your lips? What's the point of that?
Nice. I like the color of your lipstick. It's like the Wee Bear Bear.
I rate the color choice for your lips, though. It's hard to constantly roast you, Abby, when I rate your choices.
Doesn't seem like the color is even changing. It's the same shade as it was before you put anything on.
Jeez. Are you going on a date? Dang.
Brown again. She only uses two colors, brown and black. She only wears two colors, brown and black.
She's using the milk chocolate lipstick.
Kind of looks like, Vaseline. Brown petroleum jelly.
Damn, Abby, who you going out with? Where you going after this? Looks like she's going on a big date.
Oh, is that the Bretman Rock one? Oh, it is.
6 different colors, of course, all brown.
I'm gonna choose that one. Yeah. Mom.
Thank you, Tita. Give better lighting.
Ooh, fix the lighting.
Ooh, look at that peacock brush.
What is this brush? It looks like you're putting a duster on your face.
Just ask Bremen Rock for some tips. I'm sure he can help you out. Be good with the makeup.
Use our mini Filipino fan all above our eyebrows, you know, in our T-zone, XYZ zone.
Why you keep switching sides, yo? You're making me dizzy. That brush looks like a fan. Maybe you are my pan.
Next is cream. I think the brand is called Cream.
You trying to hide the bugs, see? That's why you cover the mirror.
Another brown cream. Any other colors? But you know what? She makes it work.
Oh, it's blush. Okay. Cool.
No, that's the blush. That must be the blush. No wonder you're always late for your bus.
It looks like chocolate. And she's gonna make whiskers? What is she doing? Oh, this is to make your cheeks rosy, you know? So you always look happy, you know?
There we go. She looks so pretty.
Oh, that must be like hairspray but for your face.
Apply something to look sweaty.
Ooh. A little hot in here.
That's what the people like nowadays.
I can't believe how much effort goes in to your face, Abby.
Well, there you have it. She doesn't have any other colors, so multiple shades of brown. Looks good. Looks good. All right.
Final thoughts? Let's see. The moral of the story is, if you're a guy and you ugly, just stay ugly.
Make sure you guys follow, like, subscribe, leave a comment down below, and we'll catch you in the next one. Peace.
If there's any compliments I could give Abby, something nice to say. Is there anything nice? Jokes, you know, I love Auntie Abby, yo. My favorite thing about her is her laugh. Yo, like, when it's hysterical, you just gotta see, yo. You gotta be there.
My favorite quality about Abby is that she is someone I could turn to, and she is really inspirational, and she kind of cool sometimes, but anyways, that's it, bye.
And my favorite thing about Abby is that she's very funny and very outgoing. And yeah.
And my favorite quality about Abigail is her basketball skills.
If I were to say what my favorite thing about Abby is, I would probably say it's her companionship. She's honestly such a really good friend, and if you ever need someone to eat with, someone to just keep you company, someone to study with, or someone who's just willing to listen, she's always there for you. So yeah.
I made a video earlier about doing this, but you know, it wasn't good enough. But you know, one of my favorite qualities about her is that, you know, she's a down-to-earth person. She's funny and, you know, real. She likes to get real with people. So
one thing to describe Abby is she's a definition of night owl. She would literally be up until 3 a.m. or so on and will not have any sleep. And then you can message her and she will respond, and you're gonna be asking yourself, does this person ever sleep? Probably not.
Abby is just she's so kind, she's so humble, she's so caring. She's also, she has a great sense of humor, she's really funny. And when you subscribe to her channel, trust me, you will not regret it. Be excited, stay tuned for some of the greatest content.
Me and Abby became friends back in 2013 in Rome, Italy. I'm not even joking, like we were walking the streets of Rome and that's when we became friends. Favorite quality about Abby? What's my favorite quality about Abby? Quality about Abby. That's my favorite. That's a toughie. A hard one. I don't know if I can say anything. You gotta cut that, you gotta cut that. Okay, because I'm really just kidding, Abby. And my favorite quality about Abby is the fact that, you know, she never, no. Wait, restart. Okay, restart. Take 5. Here we go. And my favorite quality about Abby is the fact that, you know, you're always gonna see her smiling and laughing. Take 6, here we go. You know, you're always gonna see her laughing at things, even things that aren't really funny, like she's gonna laugh at it. And I appreciate that so much, because, you know, boost my self-esteem. Abby, thank you so much for having me as a part of this video, and to the millions of people watching out there, you know, press like and subscribe. You're not gonna regret liking and subscribing to Abby's channel. That's right. and God bless. Have a great day.